Now, in case you haven't met him before, the next person that's going to entertain you tonight, his name is Norm Smith. And he comes all the way from Sandy Creek. That's impressive in itself. We call him the Sheik from Sandy Creek. Or what was it? The Guru from Villeneuve.
That's right, yeah. And there's a place called the Overflow down there, and they call me the Nancy from the Overflow, apparently.
Hi, Jamie. Nice.
Okay. What are we doing? Bird dog.
Bird dog.
Johnny is a joker, he's a bird, a very funny joker. What a bird! But when he jokes my honey,
He's a dog.
his joking ain't so funny.
What a dog.
Well, Johnny is a joker and he's trying to steal my baby. He's a bird dog. Yeah, hey bird dog, get away from my quail. Hey bird dog, you're on the wrong trail. Bird dog, you better leave my lovely dove alone. Yeah, hey bird dog, get away from my chick. Hey bird dog, you better get away quick. Bird dog, you better find a chicken little of your own. Well, Johnny sings a love song like a bird. He sings the sweetest love song you ever heard. But when he sings to my gal, what the hell? Well, he's just a wolf dog on the prowl.
That's right.
Johnny is a joker and he's trying to steal my baby. He's a bird dog. Well, now, hey bird dog, get away from my quail. Hey bird dog, you're on the wrong trail. Bird dog, you better leave my lovely dove alone. Hey bird dog, get away from my chick. Hey bird dog, you better get away quick. Well, bird dog, you better do a chicken little of your own. Well, Johnny kissed a teacher. What a bird. He tiptoed up to reach her. He's a bird. Oh, he reached his pet now.
He's a giraffe.
What he wants he can get now.
Yeah, by half.
Even less teacher let him sit next to my baby. He's a bird dog. Oh, hey bird dog, get away from my quail. Hey bird dog, you're on the wrong trail. Bird dog, you better leave my lovely dove alone. Well, hey bird dog, get away from my chick. Hey bird dog, you better get away quick. Well, bird dog, you better find a chicken little of your own. He's a bird.
He's a dog.
He's a dog.
He's a wombat.
He's a yodeling.
A complete course in zoology there from Norton.
I think we might think about putting our first person on now, which will be Richard. I'd like to welcome Richard to the stage. Please, a round of applause for Richard.